Hey y'all, I wanted to do something a little bit different with today's video. It's kind of beauty related, but not really. But I've been baking and cooking a lot more since on lockdown, and so I just wanted to come on here because I'm going to be making banana bread for the first time, and I want to take you along with me. I decided to use a Tasty, you know, that the one that always be on Facebook showing you how to make something. I decided to use their recipe today, so let's head straight to the kitchen. So here is the recipe I'm going to be using, and I have all these ingredients. I actually just went and got some vanilla because I didn't have that. Got baking soda, flour, chocolate chips, etc. So let's take this with me in the kitchen. Okay, now it says preheat the oven to 350. So let's go ahead and turn the oven on to 350. Oh, hit start. Okay, so now we have to gather our ingredients. So ripe bananas, butter, sugar, egg, vanilla, tablespoon of baking soda, salt to taste, cups of flour, and mini chocolate chips. Okay, so now we have all of our ingredients. Let me go ahead and show you. We have our salt, baking soda, flour, eggs, bananas, baking powder. Got our vanilla. And then we have our melted butter over there. And then we have our pan to put it in. And then our dish we're going to be mixing all of the ingredients in. So like I said, this is my first time. And I'm just going to be using the ingredients to base it off of from the Tasty website. So we're just going to add the bananas. I got 3 bananas. They're pretty ripe. I'm sure I could have gotten them riper. They said to put them in the oven for 20 minutes if you needed them really ripe, but to me these look pretty brown. I mean, this one's probably the brownest. This one probably could be a little bit more brown, but this is just gonna have to work. So mashing. So how are y'all enjoying y'all quarantine, y'all lockdown? Leave a comment down below and let me know what it's been like for you on lockdown. It's been, I mean, everyone is impacted in some way, whether or not you're continuing to work, or you know, your family or someone in your family caught the virus, which is extremely sad. Now I'm gonna add the melted butter. And it just says mix this until it's well combined. Okay, so we're gonna put this aside because I need to beat the egg. So we have our egg. Crack open here. We need to beat this egg. I'm gonna use the same fork since it's all gonna be combined anyways. Just mix this. Bring our mixture back, and we're gonna add the egg. Now we need to get some sugar. We need half a cup of sugar. It's a lot of sugar, low key. Oh, I definitely went over the halfway line. So I'm only going to use some of this, not all of it. Because I went over, I think I went like that much over. Then we're going to add some vanilla. Vanilla. I actually had to go to the store to get the vanilla because I didn't have any. And then we want some baking soda. We don't even need the baking powder. Thought I did. We just need baking soda. A little bit of that. And then we need salt to taste. I'm going to be using the pink Himalayan salt. Just a little bit of that. And we just need to mix this until it's smooth. This is the fun part. It smells so good. I'm so excited to see how this turns out. Hopefully I didn't mess up any of the ratios. Look at that, yum. Okay, forgot to grab the chocolate chips. Mini sweet, or the semi-sweet. And it says like a half a cup, but I'm just gonna guess. Mix that in. And I have my pan here. I just need to grease it. So let me grab some butter. I shouldn't really put some butter in there. Put it in the pan. Make sure it's all good. I see somebody also add flour. Is that a thing? This one doesn't say do it. Into the pan. This mixture smells so good. I'm gonna get all of it in there. Put a little bit more chocolate chips on top. So excited. And our oven is actually ready, so let's go ahead and put it in the oven. And it says it needs to bake for 50 minutes, so I'm gonna set the timer. Start. This is gonna come out good. I already know it is. So if you all like cooking videos with me, I feel like this one I did was a little bit different because it was quarantine. Everybody on lockdown. This is a beauty hair inspiration channel, but that doesn't mean we can't do other things up in this John. Okay, so now I'm just going to drink some wine, clean the kitchen because I gotta have a clean kitchen right after I cook or bake or any of those things. But I'm gonna meet back up with y'all when the 50 minutes is up to show y'all it's fire. Alright y'all, oh my face is shining. Alright, so the timer just went off and I was about to pull it out the oven, but then I remembered I was doing this with you all. So let's go ahead and see what this is looking like. I might have to set y'all down so that I can get it out the oven. And so I need to do a test. I need to stick I'm gonna stick a fork in it to see if it comes out clean. Or a knife or something. But yum. Look at this. Fire. Okay, so we're gonna do the knife test. Stick the knife right in the center. Let's see, if it comes out clean, it's ready. If not, then we still got some time. And that mug is clean, yes. I can feel the bottom. Clean. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. I have to let it cool completely before I can taste it. But when I taste it, I'm gonna have to show y'all on camera. This is beautiful, okay? Beautiful. So if like I said, when this comes out, or when this is done cooling off, I have to let it cool completely before I can try it. But once I do, let me tell you, baby, it's gonna be fire. What was I doing just now? I was just quarantining and chilling, debating about I was going to work out, but I think today is gonna be my rest day, and then I just go hard the rest of the week. Because I'm realizing I have to work out first thing in the morning. It's just like the easiest for me if I do it first thing in the morning. Or afternoonish, sometimes at night, but it really just depends. I mean, just the whole process of working out, then taking a shower. So I'm going to finish just chilling, drinking my water. I was writing down some goals, watching some free webinars, you know, the whole shebang. But when this is done, I'll come back and show you what it tastes like. Hey y'all, let me pause my show. So it's been, I was watching the challenge. Do you watch the challenge? Leave a comment down below. But it's been like a day or so, and I meant to come back to share with you all how my banana bread turned out. And let me tell you, it was fire. It looked so good. It was delicious. And I'll definitely be making it again. Let me show you the foil. So it's half on between me and between two people. And it smells so good. Like, I've had banana bread before made by someone else and it's been good, but I'm just so happy that I finally made my own banana bread and it's freaking fire. So on this quarantine lockdown, I've been trying all the new recipes and I'll continue to do so. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you want me to do more videos like this one. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram and I'll see you in my next upload. Toodles.